guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are swapping grills. I just picked up a third-party aftermarket Badlands grill. We're going to swap out the stock Big Bend grill with that one, so stick with us as we remove and install. Alright guys, there's the stock Big Bend grill. I had a little incident with one of the kids' bicycles. It was my fault. I went too close to the handlebars and scratched up the factory Big Bend grill, and been wanting to get a different one ever since. And I spotted a Badlands grill for really cheap on eBay, so this is not an official Ford product, but it looks pretty good so far. I already unboxed this thing because it actually came with the new Bronco lettering. So if you can see it there, it's the actual flat black color that comes on the Badlands. I think the Wild Track and a couple other models you can get this in the gloss black, but I kind of wanted to go with the flat black anyway, because everything else on the Big Bend is like that flat black, like all the bumpers and the fender flares. So I think it's going to look pretty good once we get it put on here. So let's go ahead and go over and uninstall the old grill, and we'll probably have to transfer a couple things on the back side for mounting, but we'll go through the whole process here. Alright guys, so the first step, we got to take this plastic cover. It kind of connects over here to the air box. We got to get this off first, and then there's a couple bolts underneath to get at the actual grill. So I want to pop these little clips out, so those come out just like that. We don't want to lose those, so we'll set those aside. Just using a flathead screwdriver here to get those popped out. Okay, so we're just lifting this plastic shroud out here. We'll set that aside. Okay, so we have 4 bolts here that we need to take out. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So I've got the impact with the 10mm. You can just use the ratchet if you don't have the impact. I got some Loctite on those suckers if they don't want the grill flying off. Okay, let's see if it comes off now. Should just be clips for the rest of this. I missed a bolt. There we go. Oh, and it pops right off. Alright guys. Stock grill removed. So, if you can see right here, the new grill doesn't have these mounting brackets here, so we're going to take these off the stock one and put them over to the new one. Okay, so there's a Torx bolts all across the top holding that bracket in, so it's a T25. So we're going to zip those out and we'll get this bracket switched over to the new one. that. That is the bracket. Put this guy right in there, line that up. I'm actually going to use the ratchet putting these back in because I don't want to over tighten them. Just got to make sure these clips line up with the plastic here. And our bolt holes up top here are lining up. Just like that, guys. What do you think? Badlands Grille installed. Like it. I'm going to get these bolts back in here and get that cover in, and we'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, there it is. Badlands Grille installed. You know, you got all the tools out and everything ready to go. It's probably like a 15-minute job. It's not bad at all. But I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I will have the links to this grill in the description if you guys are interested in checking it out. When I purchased it, they only had 4 left, but I assume this place is probably going to keep selling them. I don't know. But if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.